Hi, my name is Lilly and my president is Herbert Hoover, the 31st president. He was born on August 10, 1974. He was born in West Branch, Iowa. His parents were Jesse Hoover and Huldah Hoover. He had two siblings, Todd and May. He went to college at Stanford when he was 17. He was married to his wife, Lou Henry Hoover, and had no children. He was a mining engineer before he was president. He was president for one term from 1929 to 1933. He was a Republican. His vice president was Charles Curtis. Three important events during presidency were the stock market crashes and the Great Depression started and Dust Bowl began. He helped many unfortunate people after he was president. He died on 1964. He died of internal bleeding.